How to use Temu app for shopping. Temu app is currently very trendy at the moment and a lot of people wants to try it out. So we will see in this video how we can go and purchase things using Temu app and make an account in it and set up our account. Now, the first thing that we want to do is search Temu on google.com, and we will head over to the main website of temu.com. And once you're here, you will see this kind of interface on your screen. And the first thing that we want to do is head over to the sign in/register option. And here, I'm gonna continue with my Google account. And you can also continue with your Google account, or you can use another way to sign in as well. So I'm just gonna go continue with my Google account. Now it will redirect me to this main page. It will reload this page, and my account is now logged in right here. And this is the things that are added in my cart, and this is my browsing history. So what I can do here is I can head over to my profile. I can click on my profile, and it will open up all of the settings that you can go and set up for your account. Here I can head over to payment methods, and here simply add your credit or debit card that you want to use with this app. And similarly, there is account security, there are permissions, there's tons of things that you can go and set up for your profile. Like this, in account security, you can add a password, two-factor authentication, everything related to your account. You can go and turn them on by going here. And after that, once your account is logged in, your orders will automatically load here. So you can also head over to the order section. And once you select an item to purchase, it will appear here, and you can go and track it by following these different options: processing, ship, delivered options. And from there, you can go and trace your order as well. You can pay using your card. Well, that's it for today's video. That's how you can go and start shopping on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.